everyone, today we have the FabFitFun for winter and I just wanted to share it with everybody. So I do have the annual subscription, so it did let me pick I think everything in the box this month, but I don't know if I got my choices or not, so we're gonna see. I got this. This is a shaker, mason jar cocktail shaker. I wanted this because I thought I really thought I was gonna try to make an aviation someday, and I thought, well, if I do, I'll need a cocktail shaker, and this was the month that it suggested it to me as one of the items, and I thought, well, you know what, I'll go ahead and get it because I don't really want to buy one myself, and this one looks pretty cute. So it is glass, and it has a little stirring spoon for stirring drinks, I guess, too. So I'm really not sure what I'm doing at this point yet, but I guess you put it on, you shake it, and then you take off the lid, and oh, there you go. The lid comes off and you can strain the drink. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty cute. Though I will say that some of the things in the box I felt like were kind of repeats of things that I've seen before, and I wasn't super excited about some of the stuff in the box this month, but I do think that some of the things were okay. It's just weird when they have repeats, because I saw the Kate Spade earrings. I already had those. I was like, why is this even an option? So then I got this, and this is a milk frother, and I wanted to try this out because I thought, you know, I have an espresso machine, and I thought I could maybe make something fancier with some milk. I don't really put milk in my coffee, but I thought I'd try, so it looks like that. I thought that was pretty cool. Not something I ever really needed, but I figured I might as well get it. Then this is, I think, the like beauty product I got, and this is the Slim Deep Toning Oil. I'm really not sure what this is, but I thought I would try it because legitimately nothing else looks like something I even wanted to try. So that's what this looks like, and it says that it is tightening toning oil for optimal use. Apply on clean skin after a shower. When skin is damp, warm 5 to 8 drops of oil by rubbing them in your palms, and then massage into skin. So we're gonna try this and see what happens. Probably nothing, but maybe it'll be good. I don't know. Thing I picked, and it is a travel blanket. No idea what makes it travel, except for I think it's kind of like in a little pouch. So maybe that makes it travel if you put your blanket in a pouch. But it's pretty soft. Yeah, it's red, thin, but oh, it smells good. I don't know what it smells like, but that's pretty cool. So you can always have an extra blanket. It can't hurt. The other kind of soft thing I got was a scarf. Not sure why I picked scarf, but yeah, it looks kind of nice. It's long, got tassel thingies. I kind of like it. It can't hurt. It's gonna get really cold. Scarves are our friend. I think this is my last item, and this is the nesting bowls. Now this is something I definitely did not need, but just saw it and thought, I want this. So I did think it was going to be slightly bigger than this box is, so I guess I anticipated something larger than these, but they are cute. They're real cute. They're black and white. There's 3 of them. They're really tied tight into this like package. Okay, I got them out. So they look like this. There's 3 of them. I thought they were going to be much larger, but these are cute. Not sure if I'm going to use them for decorations or like actual little bowls, but we will see. So I might just put them out. That's everything in my FabFitFun. I hope you enjoyed watching what I got, and I hope to see what you get.